Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use AirDrop to send and receive files in between Apple computer or smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my two different iPhone smartphones. So if you have iPads or Apple computers, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly what you need to do is on your respective Apple devices or any iPhone or iPads, as you can see this notification toggles, or you can say just a toggle menus, and you can just tap and hold on this and you will see here AirDrop, right? So just tap on it. Now you will get an option receiving of contacts only or everyone. So right now, just to give you an example, I'll select the everyone. You can select contacts only also, and I will select the everyone. So once you turn on this AirDrop, it will automatically turn on the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth. So you can disable it just by tapping on it if you don't want to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth right now. So we have finally turned on the AirDrop on my one iPhone devices. So let me do the same thing on the other iPhone devices. Let me tap and hold, and once again do the same thing. Just tap on this AirDrop and just select the last option, and now you can disable the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi as well. Now say I want to send one file from this iPhone to this iPhone, right? So let me select one picture. You can select video or any other files, whichever you want to share, and now just tap on the share option. Now you will get a AirDrop option. Just tap on it. Now it will automatically detect your nearby Apple devices. So right now you can see here it's showing my other iPhone, so I'll just tap on it. Now you can see it immediately send a file on the other iPhone devices. So you can see here it's already sent the other file. So you can do the same thing with the if you want to send a picture file from here, you can do the same thing. Just tap and hold, and you can just tap on the share again. So using this method you can use AirDrop to send and receive files in between any Apple computers or smartphones very easily. So if you never known about how to use AirDrop to send and receive files in between any Apple computers or smartphones, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.